The Congress party has now started fighting openly in public in Karnataka, and yet another episode has been added to this ongoing OTT series of Congress versus Congress in Karnataka. First, DK Shivkumarji has said that there's a secret deal about chief ministership. Then DK Shivkumar has tweeted on Twitter saying that word power is world power. That means word should be kept by those who have given him this assurance. And then responding to that, Siddaramaiah ji says that word has no meaning if it doesn't change the world. One thing is very clear. Their words and their worlds are revolving around the chair. And INC has now come to mean I need chair. I need confusion. For the last 2.5 years, their only priority is power and chair and satta. They don't care about janta. They don't care about people. And therefore, people of Karnataka are getting farmer crisis, economic crisis, law and order crisis, infrastructure crisis, traffic crisis, pothole crisis. But in all of this crisis, Congress is having its own internal crisis of chair. And therefore, one thing is very clear. For Congress, priority is power, not people. And yet again, it has shown that they are now openly fighting. Even Khadge ji has accepted that there is some illness for which medicine has to be given. He has admitted that there is a problem they need to fix. The people of Karnataka will never forgive Congress for what they are doing to Karnataka and to Bengaluru in particular.
जैसे कि मैं सो रहा हूँ तो पिताजी को जगाना है मुझे, तो वो डायरेक्ट उठाने के बजाय, और हिंसा की परंपरा मेरे यहाँ नहीं थी सौभाग्य से, तो वो क्या करते थे कि उस कमरे में आ जाएंगे या बाहर से गुजरेंगे और चौपाई बोलेंगे, प्रात काल उठ गए रघुनाथा मात पिता गुरु नावई माता। कभी कभी मैं गुस्से में उठ करके अरे पापा चरण स्पर्श किया और सो गया। मैंने कहा अब मत उठाना।